What is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Coffee and Chill. Ooh, maybe I should change the name to Coffee and Chill because my GivemChills.
Wow.
Great idea. Welcome back to another episode of Coffee and Chills. Today we have another microphone to review. This microphone is from Maono. This is the brand right here. This is the Fairy. The name of the product is the microphone Fairy. This is a multifunctional vocal studio in your pocket. That's their slogan. Pretty cool, pretty cool. But yeah, this microphone is pretty cool looking, a little bit nostalgic, vintagey. But you can see on the image right here, it's the one of these that just sits instead of the one that just comes from above. This microphone has an outlet, so you can plug in your headphones into it and listen to the audio that you're recording as well. So, and it also has a knob for both the audio that's coming through the microphone and the audio that you're listening to through the microphone. Hey, please go hit the subscribe button. We review tech products and we also stream on Twitch. We play some video games, building healthy community on Twitch to be positive and impact people's life in a good way, streamers or viewers. Without further ado, let's go ahead, open up this box, set up the microphone, and listen to good music while we're doing that. Let's go. After you plug in the microphone in, it should be recognized right away by the windows. But either way, we'll go to our sound settings, open that up. And once you open that up, you should be able to see under your input now, you have the Maono, we're calling that Fairy. And you should be able to see it under here. So you can rename the microphone if you wanted to. If you go to device properties, you can actually see how much audio is coming through. Right now, Windows is set to 90% on the microphone, but there's also a knob on the microphone that you can control and decide how much you want it to pick up or how much audio you want to go through the microphone. Right now, I set it on the middle. All right, guys, so now we're using the K785 fine right here. We're gonna go into OBS and change the settings to be using the Fairy microphone. So we'll go to properties, switch to it, and we're switching in 1, 2, 3, and there we go. All right, so now we're switched to the Fairy microphone. The microphone is about a foot away from me, same distance as the Fine microphone. I like both microphones. This one looks really good on my desk. I mean, it's solid, has a very, very heavy metal base, and it looks really cool. I really like the fact that you can adjust the tilt by just, releasing a little bit of these screws on the side and just moving it around. It's really nice that you can do that. But yeah, let's go ahead and do a few tests. The first test we're going to be doing is the audio and how does the audio sound on this microphone. First test on the Fairy, going in 1, 2, 3. Hey guys, my name is GivemChills. I Twitch on stream every week. I stream on Twitch every week. Come check me out over there, twitch.tv/GivemChills. All right, first test done. Second test, how does the background noise look on this microphone or sound on this microphone, because it can't look like anything. Going in 1, 2, 3, and silence. Cool. All right, third test is keyboard noise. Keyboard is right now behind my microphone, so I'm going to test that, and then I'll put the keyboard in front of the microphone as well, which is a more realistic scenario. Test number 1, keyboard behind the microphone. Test number 2, keyboard is in front of the microphone. All right. Let's play around. Those are all the 3 minimum tests I usually do. Let's play around a little bit with the microphone and test different things. The first thing we're going to play around with is we're going to adjust the knob to see what does the audio sound like when you have the knob all the way up or all the way down. All right, starting with the bottom. All right, this is when the knob is barely on the microphone. This is how it sounds. This is when the knob at 50%. How does it sound? And this is when the knob at 100%. I don't see a much difference in my bars. Like I see 5 to 10 dB difference, but that might be a lot. I don't know. We'll check out all the sound and look at it. One of the coolest features of this mic is how you can mute it. So if you look right here, you can see this button right here. See that button right there? If you press on it, if you press on that button, it turns off and it turns off the microphone. That is cool. Cool. So one of the cool things about this mic, in the background, there's a switch to basically turn on the polar system for the audio. So in case you need to use the microphone in a podcast where there's multiple people around and you're all using the microphone, you would use the same setting I'm using right now. Let's go ahead and turn off that setting and hear how it sounds. On 1, 2, 3. All right, we turned off the polar system sound, and we're going to be turning the mic around and talking to it. Talk, 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 tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. I can't breathe. All right, that feature is really cool because you can switch the audio to be in a podcast system. So if you have multiple people in the room and you're doing like a just chatting session with multiple people or family or friends, that is a great option. We're gonna go ahead and plug in the headphones to the microphone and test the audio coming through the microphone. Ooh, that's cool. Dude, this audio sounds legit. I'm really happy with this. One of the things that I really noticed that I really like also, you can take the bass off. And so you can plug in the microphone and set it up on something that you have right here. So if you have a mount and you want to set it up, you can just plug it in and it should work really, really good. So overall, I really like this microphone. I'm going to go ahead and listen to the audio real quick. And I'm going to give you my opinion about that here in 2 seconds. Let's go there and do that in 1, 2, 3, and we're going to check out the audio. Alright guys, I just reviewed the audio and I really, really like it. It sounds really good. Like the quality of the audio sounds really good, especially when you turn off the polar pattern switch off. It sounds really good. Either way, it sounds amazing. Like the audio is really good. Remember, I have no filters right now on it, and the audio is just like not on the highest. So there's no filters on this microphone. There is no compressor, no gain, no noise gate at all, and it still sounds really good. So imagine if you added a few of those on and made it sound phenomenal. This microphone is around $80 some. It's a really good microphone. I totally recommend it. It looks really good. I do like that it has a lot of features that other mics don't have, like turning it off by a button or adjusting the knob in the front, and then it has the polar pattern switch on the back as well as plugging into headphones in the back so you can listen to your audio directly. So if you're recording music, if you're recording things like that, this is a great option. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like this channel, please subscribe to us. And if you want to see me live and ask me some questions about streaming or about, oh my gosh, I look so shiny and sweaty and beautiful. But yeah, if you want to hang out with me, I'll be on twitch.tv/GivemChills. Come over there. We'll have a good talk. We'll play some video games. I play with viewers a lot. But yeah, that's again, twitch.tv/GivemChills. All the links will be down in the description. You'll have a link to my Twitter, to my Twitch, and to buying this microphone if you liked it. Thank you for watching and have a very good day.